So once the scooter's on the main stand, you will be able to remove the exhaust nice and easy. Next step, just remove this, get a small screwdriver and it'll pop off. Just clips in. Now looking at the wheel, there's five bolts. Basically I've removed 4 of them just for the video purpose. So I'm just going to undo the last nut now, or should I say bolt. And basically that's it, the wheel just come off, just like that. I'm now going to let the tyre down and fit a new tyre. So that's the rear wheel done, and to fit it, it's all reverse. I highly advise you tighten all nuts and bolts to the correct Newton meters. You will be able to see that in the manual. You can download the Dejango manual for free.